Want to learn the secret to ombre painting and blending your paint colors? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Hi there, my crafty friends. I'm Donna from Mason Creations ETC, and welcome to my channel, where I upload tutorials on all types of crafts. So if you're ready, let's make a mess. I bought this wooden base at Hobby Lobby. I fell in love with the cutout edges. I'm going to do an ombre paint technique, taking it from dark green grass at the bottom to a pale blue sky up at the top. I'm putting my 3 paint colors in a paper plate so I can use a sponge easily. I'm starting with dark green at the very bottom. I'm putting it on heavy at the bottom and lightening it up at the top so I can blend the next color with it. Now I'm blending the light green with the dark green. Where the 2 colors meet, I'm sponging it very lightly so there will be no distinct line between the 2 colors. It should blur into the previous color. You'll see that I go back and forth with the 2 colors until I like the way it looks. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from all of you. Now I'll do the same thing with the light green and the pale blue. Send me a comment and let me know what type of project you would like to see next. Decoupage, mixed media canvases, or more mason jar decorating? Your suggestion could be my very next video. I answer every single comment I receive. I love hearing from all of you and look forward to reading all your comments. I'm also adding a little bit of white to look like clouds. And voila, the perfect ombre background. I'm making a cute bunny and some Easter eggs using Das air dry clay. Make sure you stick around to see how I decorate the Easter eggs in a little while. I'm putting the clay in the mold and trimming off the excess. And then removing it from the mold, and I'll let that dry overnight. I'm using the same 2 green colors to make some longer blades of grass sticking up around the rabbit. I'm dipping my brush in both colors so each blade will be both light and dark. I'm lightly swiping the small brush in a motion going upward. If you're enjoying and finding some value in this video, please hit that like button for me. Doing so helps my channel to grow and sends this video to more people out there. That way I can continue to bring you awesome tutorials. Thanks for doing that. After the paint dried, I sprayed it with a matte sealer. I'm using a sponge to add a little bit of gold paint to the edges. I love this look. It's always so pretty. While that dries, I'm going to start painting the bunny and the Easter eggs. I'm starting off by painting the nose and the center of the ears pink. Then some black dots for the eyes. I'm painting the small eggs different colors and the large eggs a nice white background. Make sure you stick around. I'm going to do something really pretty on those white eggs. Now I'm painting the bunny and his ears a pale gray. I'm working on some great projects for the upcoming weeks. I'll be doing some decoupage, more 3D air dry clay, and mason jar decorating. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And don't forget to click that bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. And of course, the bunny needs some little pink pads on the bottom of his feet. After the paint dried, I sprayed everything with a gloss sealer. I'm going to use some antiquing medium so all the detail from the mold will stand out. I'm watering down the antique a little bit, then I'll paint it on and wipe it off right away. It will stay in all the cracks and crevices, giving your object a nice 3D look. I'm adding some white rub to highlight all the high areas of the mold. This is so pretty, it gives a pearly look. If you don't have any rubs, you could dry brush with a pearl white paint. Are you having any craft problems you can't figure out? Or maybe something you'd like to learn? Send me a comment. I'd love to try and help you. Now to decorate the plain white eggs. I'm going to decoupage some of this beautiful tissue paper I bought at Dollar Tree. It's so cute with tiny flowers that are just perfect for these tiny eggs. I cut out a section of the flowers and I'm gluing it on with Mod Podge. I made sure to cut the paper a little bigger than the egg. Since the egg is a dome shape, I put a few tears in the paper so it would lay nice and flat on the egg. I'm doing the same thing with the other two eggs. And now I'll let them dry for about 30 minutes. The paper is just a little bigger than the egg, so I'm folding the paper over to the back and gluing it down with the Mod Podge. I'll let that dry for about an hour. While I'm waiting for the large eggs to dry, I'm going to antique the smaller eggs with gold. I'm putting on the gold paint and then wiping it off. Since I sealed this with a spray gloss sealer, the paint won't grab the surface and I'll be able to wipe it off. It'll stay in the crevices just like it did on the bunny. The small pink one is plain, so I decided to add some gold polka dots. I'm using a makeup sponge to put a gold edge around all my little eggs. I love the way the little decoupage eggs turned out. They are so pretty. It looks like they've been hand painted. Now the fun part. I'm going to put everything together. I'm adding some greenery that I got at Hobby Lobby first. Then the bunny and his ears. After that, I added some colored roses that were purchased at Hobby Lobby as well. And then the eggs. I'm using a Shore Bonder cordless glue gun. I absolutely love this glue gun. It's so nice to work without fighting a cord that's in your way all the time. I have this listed in my favorite tools section in my description box below, in case you want to check it out. At the last minute, I decided to add some little white daisies, and they just look so cute. This is turning out to look just like an Easter egg hunt. And of course, this plaque needs a hanger and a bow. I'm using some really small gold braid to make a hanger on the top. I got this multicolored plaid braid at Dollar Tree, and I'm using it to make a simple crossover bow. I'm tying the center with a small piece of the small gold braid. I'm making a smaller bow for the center using an Easter egg ribbon that I also got at Dollar Tree. I glued that to the center of the large bow, and the combination of these two ribbons made such a pretty bow. I put together a playlist of some other tutorials you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking my picture in the top right corner so you don't miss any future videos.